Smart kids, discover the world. Water creatures. Hi, learning buddies. Have you ever thought about how much of our amazing planet is covered in water? It's a lot, and swimming in that water are some of the most fascinating creatures you can imagine. Let's dive in and meet our first friend, fish. Fish come in every size, shape, and color. They use gills to breathe underwater, which is like a magic superpower. Did you know a fast fish called a sailfish can swim faster than most cars on the highway? Next up is the superstar of the sea, the dolphin. Dolphins are special because they are mammals, just like us. That means they have to pop their heads out of the water to take a breath. They are super smart and love to play. They use clicking and whistling sounds to talk to each other. Now, let's meet an ancient friend, the sea turtle. Sea turtles have been swimming in the oceans for millions of years. They have a big tough shell to keep them safe, and they use their strong flippers to glide through the water like they're flying. The ocean is full of surprise creatures that don't have backbones. These are called invertebrates, and the king of these surprises is the octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and is a master of disguise. It can change its color and even the texture of its skin to blend in with rocks and plants. It's like a real-life spy. Look at this floating beauty, the jellyfish. They look like clear, elegant umbrellas drifting in the water. They don't have a brain or a heart. They're basically living jelly. Get ready for the biggest animal on Earth, the blue whale. The blue whale is absolutely huge. It's longer than 3 school buses put together. Even its heart is the size of a small car. And it eats tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Imagine eating millions of tiny little snacks every day. Well, we met so many amazing friends today. The fast fish, the smart dolphin, the ancient sea turtle, the sneaky octopus, and the huge blue whale. The oceans are a big, wonderful world, and it's up to all of us to keep them clean and safe for these incredible creatures.